What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Josh and this is the Iceyyyboyz channel. I actually wanted to take the time to actually make a video for you guys and to say thank you, basically. This channel has grown pretty big than that it was supposed to, because it was supposed to be like just to fuck around and see where it goes, and it's actually growing pretty big. And 2,097 subscribers isn't that much, but I assumed it would be smaller, you know. Not only that we have 2,097 subscribers, but honestly, the support is real out there, and I can't thank you guys enough. And all the orders that you guys been ordering for me, pre-orders for the visors, stickers, and the rear banners, and people tagging me in them, I really do appreciate you guys supporting us, and it means a lot. So I just want to get the word out there and say thank you guys for all the love and support. Yes, I say it all the time, but I really do mean it. Anyways, guys, enough of this talk. I just want to say happy holidays and have a happy New Year's, guys. And here's a recap of 2018, this whole year. And I just wanted to say thanks, guys. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a great one. What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys?
Some of the things we expect with summer.
Your car looks so sad. It matches you.
I got it! So I'm with the boys. Say what's up, guys. What's up? We're about to take a shot. Let's get it. Hey. Oh! Yeah! My boy, follow him, Senpai Calvin. What the fuck, bro? What's up, dude? Can I have something white right here? Yeah?
Come dumpster.
My boy, Kooky Chris, let's go! Show the Canadian version of the wagon. Oh! Hell yeah! That's fucking lit! Fuck yeah! The wagon version of the Canadian version, bro. What's good? Damn, that shit's lit! Try Vietnamese? I'm Vietnamese. No, man! Cheers, bro! Hey, you with him? Hey! Look, cheers on me. Success, bro. Oh, that's warm.
This is what we did to Josh when he was sleeping. We just stole like
I already.
Iceyyyboyz camera.
Nah, don't worry. I got like 6 minutes worth of straight fucking content. Nothing really cool, but like it's still cool. But follow us, remember. Hey, cut!
Young water come off.
Get out, guys.
Otherwise, you're gonna get right there. Drive shit.
You wanna hold my hand? This is the only time you'll hold my hand.
I'm gonna step on your top.
As I lower it, so just put your hand just like.
Almost there.
Oh my gosh.
Really take that.
Finally. Fucking finally. Jeez. It's fucked up. Shout out to you guys for guiding us in. Oh, cheers, guys. Oh, so we just got to the meet. So there's nobody here. Don just got here. And my sister's fiance, my brother-in-law. Dude, this fool Anthony brought his car and has a raw knock. Shout out to him. Dude, you're a fool, dude. Hey, rev that. He's crazy, huh? Oh my god. Just pull up right here. Jeez, this fool's crazy. Oh man. Gee,
Better bust a mission to my house. Hey,
So your paint cracked.
So how do you like your fenders, Kenny?
They're fucking shit.
What's going on, guys? We're actually at Wetfest today. Today is Saturday, and today's just the staging for everyone who's in it. Cool with me. Move this up actually.
Ready?
Yep, go. Woo-hoo! That's a perfect. Yeah, bro, that clears. That fucking clears.
Look at that side.
That's the god of fitment, homie. That is the fucking. Oh damn, is this side lower? Yeah, this side's low. quarter bike, leave a comment down below. You want to check them out, you know what I'm saying? Camber. This side has way more camber. That's why it doesn't look like as boat as this side. And we found out it is true because it's been banging on my quarter panel. Yep. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. They are in stock. Yes. 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 Buy them. Buy them.
What the fuck?
Buy them.
Johnny made you those stickers and you're just gonna toss them?
Buy them. Buy them.
Just drop a juice.